I'm also going to do something which has been around for a long time, and that is I'm going to change the regulatory and permitting process to make it more transparent and make sure that as we put in place regulations, they're designed to actually help get production where it's needed and not using regulation to stop the production of energy. Sometimes I have the impression that the whole regulatory attitude of the administration is trying to stop oil and gas and coal, that they don't want those sources, that instead they want to get those things so expensive and so rare that wind and solar become highly cost-effective and efficient. Look, I like wind and solar like the next person, but I don't want the law to be used to stop the production of oil and gas and coal, and I'm going to get the law to finally be transparent with timelines, statute of limitations, and stop using these legal suits to try and stop the production of energy in this country. Number 6, I want to promote energy innovation. Now, what do I mean by that? We've watched the president follow a different path. He's taken federal dollars, your money, to invest in companies, solar companies, wind companies, about $90 billion in so-called green jobs. $90 billion has gone into this. Look, the government of the United States is not a very good venture capitalist. He says he's picking winners and losers. Mostly he's been picking losers, all right? I mean, Solyndra and Enterwan and Fisker and Tesla. There's a long list of these businesses he's investing in. I don't want the government investing in companies, particularly companies of his campaign contributors. I want instead to have our government investing in basic science and research, finding new sources of energy, also finding ways to be more efficient in our use of energy. I happen to believe that line, that dotted line I have there, which says that American energy usage, North American energy usage, will stay about the same. I actually believe we can bring that down. I believe that through technology and innovation, we're going to find ways to bring down our use of energy, and we may even be an exporter at some point of energy when you consider all of our resources. But this is where we should be devoting our federal dollars, not on trying to put money into businesses, which often fail, but instead putting money into technology and science and research. We do that, and you're going to see new opportunities for us to get America and North America energy independent. Now, what are